Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, hours of heavy rainfall in sections of St. Catherine today left at least 2 communities outside Sligoville flooded and residents demanding the intervention of the authorities. And as you'll hear in this report, the roadway into the community is now impassable. Scenes from Waterloo district in St. Catherine Saturday afternoon.
I know it's dangerous, anybody just blow this them fast.
This roadway in the community could easily be confused for a river. And as the water came gushing, so did cars and other debris.
Just abundance of water on the 2 sides, on this side and on the Sligoville side of the road. You understand me? I mean, road and water that nobody can cross it. Wash a vehicle, 2 vehicles end up wash way down there, so up on the Sligoville road, the people them have to back up them vehicle or stop under the bridge. You understand me? A whole lot of water.
The windscreen mash up. Everything get damaged right now. A whole heap of dents up and a whole heap on the grass, them drop out. I like them and everything.
It's not the first time the community has been flooded, but the residents say in recent times the situation has worsened.
Oh, we get water like this. Yeah, but we get water, but it's the first time we see them type of whole heap of debris or bungle up, like how you see it there now.
Robert Byfield was in the area delivering goods, but now he's stranded.
Now the place block up, man. Block up. No road at all. No road at all, fix, carry out. So we don't know when we're going to leave from here, so. If for tomorrow morning, next week, or what, we don't know.
Now residents are again pointing fingers at the work carried out a few years ago on the North-South Highway. They have renewed calls for the authorities to deploy a technical team urgently.
If them do the thing, them do it right and done. Just see the gully course there. Turn the culvert in at the gully course. The culvert turn out to the road. So when the water come, it doesn't have more channel for run. Just the road it can follow.
I am appealing to the agencies, I'm appealing to the ministry, I'm appealing to the National Works Agency to come and take a quick look at what is happening in Waterloo and see how best we can have it addressed.